watching Africa Live. Let's now turn to the Horn of Africa region. At the height of the famine crisis 2 years ago, the town of Baidoa, southern Somalia, faced a worsening security situation. 2 years on, security has improved in the town, but the humanitarian crisis persists. CCTV's Mohamed Hirmoge has just returned from Baidoa and filed this report.
Nearly 1 year after the United Nations declared an end to famine in Somalia, southern central regions of Somalia still face dire humanitarian situation. The United Nations has since 1 month ago launched $1.3 billion appeal in humanitarian aid to assist over 3.8 million affected Somalis in the capital and the regions worst affected by the drought. The security situation of this town has improved with the presence of the AU peacekeeping forces, independent units from Ethiopia and the Somali National Army. But the humanitarian situation, however, still remains as dire, almost similar to how it was during the crisis of the famine. Baidoa was one of the areas worst hit by the 2011 famine. A staggering number of internally displaced persons still put up in makeshift camps.
It is now worse than before for us and our children. We don't have food, water, and we need medical care.
We need immediate food aid. Look at these children. See their faces. They're all malnourished. We need food aid and water.
The Baidoa administration now appeals to the UN to resettle the displaced persons and initiate restocking projects to allow them resume their preferred traditional livelihood ways rather than spend millions in food aid.
We
are appealing to the UN not to focus on giving aid only. We want a long-term solution. We want these people to be resettled and give them something to allow them resume their livelihood. It is time these displaced persons moved on with their lives.
The United